July 2021 is when I started this channel. I filmed my first video, and it was a video of me trimming my bush. Yes, and it's been like 4 years now, and it's something I revisit every year. So let's go and trim it. Well, the weather's still with us, so we'll go and have a look. This is the nicest day we've had for a while. We've actually had some blue sky, although it's gone now. So as I said at the start of this video, this is the scene of my very first ever YouTube video, and it's just a simple video of me cutting this back hedge and using my Einhell hedge trimmers, which I highly recommend. The great quality, and the price isn't too much compared to some other power tools you can get, but the quality is absolutely on a par. So it's an annual thing for me. It's traditional. It's how I started the channel, and I'm going to film it. Whether you think it's boring or not, I don't care. You can watch it if you want. I really don't care. It's just me filming what I get up to day to day, week to week, and hopefully some people find it interesting and helpful, which apparently they do. So as you can see, the hedge is getting a bit out of control. I have done it once already this year, and I never used to do it more than once. But hey ho. Time changes, the world does not stand still, and nor does your hedge. As I said earlier, I'm going to be using the Einhell hedge trimmers. These are really good quality tools by Einhell. I can't fault them. And there's the model number. I'll just read it off to you in case you're dyslexic or something like that. It's a GECH1846LI. And I've been using this for about 5 years. With absolutely zero problems whatsoever. I do have these standard Einhell batteries. Their batteries fit all of their tools, as in that thing of one battery powers all. I've got several ranging from 2 amp up to about 4 amp, I think. I've got a Makita battery this time for this one, with an adapter that lets you use Makita batteries with Einhell tools. No particular reason, except for this is a big 5 amp hour 18 volt lithium ion battery, so it's going to last a long time, and it should. Having said that, let's just check how much is in it. Yeah, they're saying it's full. I know it's not. I used it a bit before, but this will hopefully do the whole job without me having to recharge it. If I do, I've got other batteries waiting to go, so that's not an issue at all. But before we get going, I'm going to give the blades an oil. I'll just spray some WD-F Castrol stuff. I don't know if they make this anymore. It's probably from the 70s or 80s, this stuff. Thanks, Fred. But yeah, I'm just going to oil the blades, and then we're going to get cracking before the light goes. I think I've only got about an hour left. I might not finish this today, but I'll carry on tomorrow. To start off with, we'll be doing the front side, and then we'll take a bit off the top as much as we can here. Then we'll go around the other side. We'll take a bit off the face again, and then we'll do the top from the other side. And I don't think I'm going to need the long reach. Right, we're all ready to go. Batteries on the hedge trimmers. Everything's working okay. Got my gloves on. Remember, whenever you're outside, put your gloves on. If your wife or your girl looks out the window and sees you with your gloves on, looks like you're busy. Right, that's that side done. Now we're around the other side. Remember, keep your gloves on. Hey, I can't hear you. I've got my gloves on. Busy. See, told you, if you've got your gloves on, your work gloves, looks like you're busy. Saw's still going well. Or trimmer rather. Still got loads of battery left, only used 1 bar. Got another 3 to go. So if you've come to the place to see some dirty hedge trimming action, you've come to the right place. All right, let's crack on. Well, that's it done. If you made it this far, we've got to the, well, not so much the good bit, but the end bit. Tied in all the crap, all the bits up from the hedge trimming. So I'm just going to rake everything up, put it in the gardening bin, and I might have another little go at it tomorrow just to see if we can get anything else off it. But that should be it now until next year. Job done. So, that's my bush nicely trimmed. Now the only thing left to do is to have a step 2. Steve Wallace step 2. I'm having a hobgoblin. Cheers everyone. And if I don't see you before Christmas, cheers everyone. I might have to think about repairing the roof. Or is it the magic of Christmas?